What are the phases of the moon?
The phases of the moon are the different shapes we see as the moon orbits the Earth. Throughout a month, the moon appears to change from a thin crescent to a full circle, then back again. These changes are called phases. Understanding how and why these phases happen helps us see our position in the solar system more clearly.
Why does the moon change shape?
The moon looks different each night because of how sunlight falls on it as it moves around Earth. Half the moon is always lit by the sun, but from Earth, we only see certain portions of the lit side. The moon doesn't make its own light. It only reflects sunlight.
The path of the moon around Earth.
The moon orbits Earth once about every 29.5 days. As it travels along its path, the angle between the sun, the moon, and Earth changes. This shifting angle causes us to see different amounts of the moon's lit half from night to night.
What are the main phases?
There are 8 main phases: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. The cycle starts with the new moon, when the side facing us is in shadow, and ends with the waning crescent before starting over.
A step-by-step look at each phase.
The cycle begins with the new moon. No moon is visible. Then we see a waxing crescent, followed by the first quarter, half lit. Next is the waxing gibbous, reaching the full moon when the entire face is bright. The process reverses waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent until the new moon returns.
Why is understanding moon phases useful?
Watching the phases of the moon has helped humans track time for centuries. Farmers use them for planting, artists for inspiration, and scientists for space exploration. Now that you know how it works, you can look up and recognize each phase as it happens.